Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Low miles. Features also include premium sound system, rear view camera, towing package, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2017 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, navigation system, security system, cruise control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.